In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up Resi streaming in ProPresenter. Resi is a streaming platform that allows you to send your ProPresenter output directly to your website, social media platforms, or other streaming destinations. Instead of streaming to a single location, Resi can distribute your stream to multiple destinations at the same time, all from a single source. The setup process inside ProPresenter is straightforward. Once everything is configured, you'll be able to start and manage your stream directly from the software. Before configuring ProPresenter, you'll need to have a Resi account already created, and you should also have your destination groups configured inside Resi Studio. Destination groups define where your stream will be delivered, whether that's an embedded player on your website, a social media platform, or multiple locations at once. Once your Resi account is ready, you can connect it to ProPresenter. Start by opening ProPresenter settings, then navigate to the integrations page. Inside this section, you'll find the option to register your Resi device. Click Register, then enter your Resi account credentials. If this is the first time this computer has been connected to Resi, ProPresenter will prompt you to create an encoder name. In this context, the encoder is simply the computer running ProPresenter that will be sending the video stream. Many teams choose a name that reflects the location or room where the system is installed, something like main auditorium or broadcast booth. Once you've entered the encoder name and completed the login process, ProPresenter will install the Resi encoder plugin. This allows ProPresenter and the Resi platform to communicate with each other so your stream can be transmitted properly. With your account connected, the next step is configuring your capture settings. There are a few different ways to open this window. You can click Capture Settings in the Resi section of the integrations page, click the Live button in the toolbar, or go to Screens and choose Capture Settings from the menu. Each of these options opens the same capture settings window, where you configure how your stream will be sent. Inside this window, start by setting the destination to Resi. Once you select Resi as the destination, additional streaming options will appear. The first setting you'll configure is Source. The source determines which ProPresenter screen will be streamed. This could be a dedicated screen designed specifically for streaming, or it could be the same screen that you're sending to your in-room audience. The content that appears on that screen is what Resi will receive and broadcast. Next is the event name. This is the name of the stream that will appear inside Resi Studio and on platforms like Facebook or YouTube. If you leave this blank, the stream will simply use the name of the destination group. Next, you'll select your destination group. This tells Resi where your stream should go. Since destination groups are configured inside Resi Studio, you can create groups that stream to multiple platforms simultaneously, making it easy to distribute your broadcast without needing multiple streaming setups. Next, you'll choose a resolution preset. This determines the resolution and bitrate used when encoding the video. For best results, it's recommended to choose a preset that closely matches the resolution of your ProPresenter output screen. Finally, you can configure audio routing. ProPresenter can send audio directly to your stream as part of the capture process. The audio stream is encoded in stereo and sent along with the video signal, so your audience receives both elements together. There are 3 ways to begin the stream. You can click Start Stream in the Capture Settings window, use the Live button in the toolbar, or choose Start Stream from the Screens menu. As soon as the stream starts, ProPresenter begins encoding the video and sending it to Resi's servers. From there, Resi processes the stream and distributes it to the destinations defined in your destination group. While the stream is running, you'll see a status indicator in the toolbar. This indicator helps you monitor the health of your stream. A green indicator means everything is functioning normally and video is transmitting correctly. A yellow indicator is a warning that frames may be dropping during capture. And a red indicator means the stream has stopped or the network connection has been interrupted. Keeping an eye on this indicator is a simple way to confirm that your stream is running smoothly during your event. When your event is finished, stopping the stream works much the same way as starting it. You can click the Live button in the toolbar and choose Stop Stream. Select Stop Stream in the Capture Settings window, or use the Screens menu to stop the stream. Resi also allows streams to be started remotely from Resi Studio. If a stream is scheduled or started remotely, the ProPresenter operator will receive a notification that streaming is about to begin. This notification provides a short window where the operator can confirm or cancel the stream before it starts. Finally, you can manage your Resi integration at any time inside the Integrations page of ProPresenter settings. From there, you can view the encoder name associated with the system, open Resi Studio to manage your account and destinations, check for encoder updates, or jump directly back to the Capture Settings window to adjust your streaming configuration. Streaming directly from ProPresenter using Resi provides a reliable way to deliver your content to multiple platforms from a single system. Once the integration is configured, starting and managing your stream becomes part of your normal ProPresenter workflow. For more ProPresenter training, be sure to check out the other tutorials in this series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.